In exercise 3, we'll open the Identity Manager and familiarize ourselves with the interface. Let's click the Start menu, and we have Identity Manager again pinned to the Start menu, so I'm going to go ahead and bring that up. There are 5 main tools here in the Identity Manager. We've got the Operations menu. The Operations area, as you can see from our initial seamless provisioning exercise, displays in chronological order what exactly happened. So we can see the very first thing that happened is that the Active Directory Management Agent had a full import run profile ran on it, and it was successful. The second step was a full synchronization from the Active Directory Management Agent connector space to the metaverse. And finally, an export out to Windows Live of our accounts. Notice as I click each one of these management agent operation logs that the synchronization statistics down in the lower left hand corner is updated. So you can see that we have on full import 14 adds that occurred. If we click on that, we can bring up a list of objects that were created on the first import. And the reason that it's 14 is we've got the edutraining.local domain in there, groups, people, and administration OUs, in addition to all of our user objects. On the Active Directory full sync, you'll notice we have 10 projections that would represent our user accounts going into the metaverse. And we also have an outbound synchronization to the Windows Live management agent, 10 export attribute flows, which then, on our third step, are added out to Windows Live. Our next tool is the Management Agents area. This is where you create management agents. You can also execute run profiles from this area, perform import and export operations, refresh schema, and search connector space, and create rules extension projects. So in this window, also take note that if we click on the ADMA, we've got the last run profile that was run down in the synchronization statistics area. And same thing for the WLCD-MA. You can see that with the group management agent that we have not executed any runs yet, so we don't have any statistics or errors listed there. The next tool is the management agent, or Metaverse rather, designer. So the Metaverse designer defines object attributes and types. The object types are listed here at the top, with actions listed to the right. Similarly, we have attribute types below and actions listed on the right. You can also see which attributes are used in import attribute flows in the attributes area here under the import flow column. Metaverse search is used to create clauses to search for objects into the metaverse. Looks like we have a stray clause in here, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that for now. That's one that you'll use later on. And finally, we have the joiner. The joiner you will probably not use much in a Windows Live implementation, but for a fully implemented identity management solution, you would use the joiner to disconnect or to join disconnected objects.